Welcome back to the channel. Today we are doing a cook with me and we are going to do a easy banana bread. Okay, so let's just jump right into the video.
I used to take myself out on dates, open my own damn doors, pay for everything on my plate. Sometimes I'd even get the steak, cause I got it like that. Always had my own bag, never needed no man to rely on. Got two good shoulders to cry on. I was alright on my own, till I fell, but it wasn't fake. And I couldn't tell at the time, but I was my own soulmate. It's like I forgot I was fine, let you treat me any kind of way. Now I'm free, you gotta celebrate. You couldn't see everything and stay. That I wasn't afraid to say, yeah. If I gotta choose me, I won't be afraid to. If I gotta choose me, I gotta do what I gotta do. When I love you, I lose me. Now I can't be attached to you no more. I like me better when I wasn't yours. I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back to who I was before. I like me better, I like me better, I like me better, yeah, yeah. I like me better, I like me better when I wasn't yours. I like me better, I like me better, yeah, yeah, yeah. I gave you all that you asked of me. You like the view from behind, but you won't make an ass of me. That's why I'm saying goodbye. Hopping out my feelings, get to the money. Gotta keep it 100. Leaving you ain't really took nothing from me. So don't come looking for me. I'm that bitch and I have it. You forgot, but I haven't. You was just a no habit, so I'ma disappear like magic. I'm that bitch and I have it. You forgot, but I haven't. Now you wish that you had it. But all I gotta say back is, if I gotta choose me, I won't be afraid to. If I gotta choose me, I gotta do what I gotta do. When I love you, I lose me. No, I can't be attached to you no more. I like me better when I wasn't yours. I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back to who I was before. I like me better, I like me better, I like me better, yeah, yeah. I like me better.
Look how nice this come out. But it told me to leave it for an hour. The instructions had an hour, but it's been what? 53, 18, 25 minutes, and it seems to be okay. So let's see. Let me take a knife and stick it in it. Hey, clean, so then it's done. But look at that, I would have burned the thing. Anyways, so there's the banana bread earlier. Don't mind them thing on the sides there. I was like mixing it in the bowl and some of the thing gets scratch up. Ow. Some of the thing gets splash up on the sides. But yo, look at that golden masterpiece. It's so beautiful. I'm gonna let it cool and then we're gonna come back and take a taste test. It's time for the taste test. So I'm going to cut. It's so nice and soft and fluffy. That looks nice. Nice and moist. Nice and moist. It sounds soft and chewy. Okay, time for Bully to taste it. You have to tell the people if you like it.
That's good. Tastes good.
Yay!
Moist and nice.
Okay, cool. Tell them bye. Alright, well, so let's hear from himself. It is good. So you could do this if you have any bananas that day and you just don't know what to do with it. Real quick and easy to do. And I'm gonna see you guys in the next one.